Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this video. Not really necessary, just playing around. After I made these two objects in part 1, I was fixing to erase the file. I thought, you know what, if I hit the plus key on the keyboard and mirror it, look at the pattern that it comes about. Same thing with the round one. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and mirror it. And not only mirror it, you can change it completely. So let's back up here and you could just rotate it. Let me look at that. Pretty cool stuff. But if you just rotate it by hand, you can actually get, maybe more or less than you want of a different type pattern. Look, like there's 5 stripes there. Now there's like 8, 10, just keeps going up and up, and then after a while you'll just completely mess it up, just a bunch of star patterns, or diamond patterns, but that's not all totally bad on itself right there. Anyway, just playing around, though you might find it interesting. Anyway, have a good night. Hope that helped. Thank you.